Okay, I'm gonna draw a cat. Okay, I think I got the cat, so let's see the finished product. Okay guys, this is the finished product of my drawing. Okay, if you like the drawing with the wave filter on, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll be back with another video.